Alright guys, what's up? So today, this is gonna be, so it's nighttime right now. It's nighttime. I don't know if you guys can see. It's nighttime out right now. So, tonight is gonna be the precursor to tomorrow's video. So we're gonna be going to the AMC show. I know in my last video, I said I wasn't gonna be able to make it. Well, the schedule changed from my BS, and I actually have one day. So I have one day we can go to it. The event is 2 days long, but we'll be able to go to the first day, but we won't be able to go Sunday, which I don't really like going out on Sundays anyway. So a Saturday event thing, it's going to be cool. But right now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing this pedal spacer. I've been waiting for this for about at least 2.5 to 3 months for this. So we can finally get the freaking position on the gas pedal on the car right. So I've got this, and the only tool we're gonna need, apparently according to this, is a socket with a 6-inch extension and a T30. So with that being said, let's go down the stairs of the car, move it around, and get it, so we can get a little bit of room to work. Let's go. All right, guys. So move the car, and now it's like sitting in the middle of these two parking spots. So there's my spot. I got 204. You guys can't see that, 204 right there. And no one parks here in this spot because, like, literally, like, I used to park there, and it was such a pain getting in and out of the morning, like, because, like, literally, like, guys, like, the parking spots, I swear to you, like, it is inhumanly, no wonder people in Korea are always skinny, because I'm telling you, like, if you a big person, you ain't fitting in between. But yeah, so we're sitting in the middle of these spots, and we're gonna be working today under here. Let me get my phone out because it's a little dark. All right. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't break the phone. Shouldn't have. Nah, we're good. All right. So apparently back here, there is it's like literally my pedal is held on by a bolt. So I'm gonna like try and run the time lapse and see if I can get this. Hopefully I can. Damn, I'm already breathing hard. Bad. Okay, so I forgot one thing. Because I remember watching the video to see how this was installed. This dude did it in like 5 minutes. Basically, you have to remove the carpet first. Because you're gonna be kind of like pulling back on like the back trim back there. Should have done this in the daytime. I was going to, but not gonna lie. Got caught up with my friends all the way back in the States. Haven't seen each other in a while. And kind of the way we talk and everything. We just play video games together for a long time. Mostly Warzone and GTA. Because it's the only common games we have. But it works. Alright. Well, trying to get you guys set up here. That works. Alright. Now I'm going to cut to the time lapse, and we should be able to do it. Okay. Whew. I broke a sweat a little bit, just on my nose. But we got the screw out. But there's something weird I found though. So on the back of the brake, like on the side of the brake, like right here, there's like this little come on, stay together, phone. Alright, like there's like this little cover. Like right here. Anyone know what that is? Because I've never seen this. Well, I've never had to like be. I'm lying. I've been down here, but only to do the clutch stop that's back there, so my clutch doesn't go back any further and waste like dead space. But there's this, and like I don't know what the hell this is. I don't know what that is. It's kind of weird. These fucking pedals are stupid. Oh wow, dude, the clutch came out or the gas came out like that. It literally is the only screw holding that in, is that damn screw. And then you should be able to just pull it out, and then back there is like a little dead space where there's the notch, and as you can see, where's the part? Oh no, hang on guys. Okay, all right, it was upstairs, so got the part. All right, so we go back down here. Grab the phone again. No, it's slow power mode. Grab the phone. Right, here we go. Got the light. So this little part, I'm pretty sure I already showed you guys, but this little freaking piece, there we go. This little piece just kind of wedges in, like right back where it sits. And there's like this little notch. And this little notch just lines up, and then we just screw it back in, I guess. So let's go ahead and put the time lapse of me doing that, and hopefully it's a little easier to put in than it was to get out. Which, it wasn't really that bad, to be honest. Okay, it's in. It's a pain in the neck, but it's in. All right, time to see what it feels like in here. I had to move my seat back to get everything lined up, but oh my goodness, it really does. It really does. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna grab my phone again. I'm gonna point it down, but like, okay. So I should have done it before and after, but I didn't think to. But like, I'll tell you this much. So, like, the brake, the gas used to be like way, like under, yeah. I wouldn't be able to put my foot under the gas before. There's no way I would have been able to. But now I can. Look at that, my neighbor showed up. But now I actually can. It's actually really, really freaking cool that I can now. And like going over, it's so much easier. Like I can actually kind of do it with my freaking foot, kind of. It definitely like made an improvement for sure. Like it's still not perfect, but I mean if you kind of hang your foot off, it kind of works. That's pretty cool, guys. Oh. But that's the beginning of the first episode. Now I'm gonna head to the car wash and see what's up. All right, guys. So I got the POV set up. This is about to be live. I have not driven the car since I've installed the new mod, but I will say, like, bro, like my foot is on the brake and I can touch the gas now, bro. I'm so excited. I am so excited to try this now. I can finally, okay, because I'll explain on the way. But basically, freaking, wait, are we on? We're recording, right? Yeah, we're recording. All right, cool. Just making sure, just double checking. Freaking, but what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so no car, right? So can't remember how. Oh my, that feels weird. Okay, yeah. They said also the car feels a bit different with this spacer on, so I have to kind of get used to that. But what they shoot, I lost my train of thought. But yeah, so with I've had no car that came with pedals it was really good, easy to heel toe with. Like seriously, like the Evo 10, you would expect the pedals to have been spaced properly, you know, for heel towing to be easy. No, that car, like this one has a telescopic steering wheel. The Evo didn't. I could not get the proper seating position in the Evo. Like my knees were hitting the steering wheel. I don't hit my knees on this one. Telescopic steering wheel, and the pedals, bro, the pedals. I could not heel toe in that car to save my life. Couldn't. Like, just could not. And I'm gonna have to get used to it here in this car. I'm just trying to figure out, like I guess the only time I'd really heel toe would be in like in a braking corner situation, which I'm not used to heel towing because I never had to do it because I physically couldn't do it because of just how my feet are and you know how the car is. It wasn't really set up for me. Oh, dude, it feels like I'm trying harder. It feels like someone has put on like a shorter final drive. Like I'm barely stepping on the pedal and the car is wanting to move. The car is like really wanting to move. Like it is weird just what a pedal spacer can do. And like I said, we didn't make it any faster and none of that. Like it's literally just a pedal spacer. So that's where I guess this comes into play now. I'm just kind of sitting here trying to see. All right, yeah, oh yeah, the car's warmed up so we can rip it. There's like a small little toge over here. I'm gonna try it at. You know, I'm gonna try it. I'm not, you know, we're just going to good old Mexico real quick. But I really want to see how this feels now. You know, all the way, because I I've taken this car to limits that probably no other Mark 7 Golf has probably ever been taken to, except maybe in actual Germany where the Autobahn is. Oh my goodness. It just feels a little bit better. I don't know yet. I really don't know. Let me know what's in there, and I barely have my foot on the gas, and it feels like I am moving. Going up a hill, guys. Like, this car does not have racing tailgate gears. This car has a 3.3 final drive. And if you don't know what that is, or don't know what that means, then you should probably look up what final drives are. I'm not really going to sit here and explain it, but I'll just say this much. This car has it can cruise at 100 miles an hour very comfortably, which makes sense because, you know, it's a German car, and German cars have the Autobahn, so, you know, most cars can probably over there do 100 miles an hour because, you know, they have to at one point, some point in time. Alright, and then if I wanted to heel toe, just it's like, okay, it's a little weird, it's a little different, because it's like, I'm not used to putting my foot on the brake like that. Oh god, big blow. Yeah, okay, the pedal spacing is definitely gonna throw me off. Like, I mean, I can still drive, but like when it comes to performance drive, like really trying to like push it, I'm gonna have to get used to this. This is definitely gonna be something I'm gonna get used to. But I'll hit you guys up whenever we get to the car wash, and I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so we're now here at the car wash. So let's go ahead and get this car washed, man. There's actually a few freaking cars here. There's a weird painted BRZ, a K7 or something. It's pretty cool looking. Look at that. But we'll go ahead and mount you guys up, and we'll get started. What's that thing? See, I told you there's always something here. Let's go ahead and get you guys mounted up. Alright guys, so the car is now washed completely. I hope that video turned out good. I didn't really look over it just yet. So now we're going to get to drying this bad boy, and then after that we're going to be on our way, and that'll conclude the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get to it. And with only 8% to spare, guys, she's clean. So she's all good. And look what this thing, look what this guy has. Big wing Veloster in. So yeah, she's all cleaned up. She's all ready for AMC. There's actually a few people I think are gonna be there. I saw a few other cars. I don't know if you guys saw on the Time Warp, but there was a wide body Korean spec something. I have no idea. There was a wide body Mercedes with slams. But yeah, guys. Sorry about that, guys. So the freaking video cut out because the battery is getting low. It's only on 7%. But anyway, guys, this is gonna conclude today's video. Tomorrow's gonna be a banger. I can't wait, and this will be posted up tonight. And hopefully tomorrow goes smooth. I'll see you guys later. Adios. Don't forget to subscribe, comment.